Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make slap battles on Roblox. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, the first thing you would need to do is to enter to your Roblox game and log in into your account. Now we need just to search for a slap battles game on our Roblox. So let's in the search bar just type slap battles and here we will find these slap battle. And as you can see, this is the most played game here on our slap battle. All we need is just to click on play and we need to start like playing our slap battle on Roblox. So basically those are some daily rewards. Let's just claim reward and now we have our slaps. And now that we have claimed the reward, as you can see here at the bottom here on the corner, those are the slaps that we have. So basically, we need now to start playing, and all we need to do is just to start our game on the lobby. So basically, we need just to go back here, and there is no one shot glove server, and there is this arena server, and this is the normal arena. So basically, let's just enter in the arena, and now we need just to start slapping. You will need just to get close to any character, and basically this is one, and you need just to start slap. And as you can see, it has like I gained another slap since I already like slapped him, and basically I gain a slap each time I shoot anyone. And of course, there are some power-ups on the game, and you can see your score like on the menu. And of course, you are losing each time you start losing in your slaps if you are using them. So as you can see, there are abilities. For example, I have this blast that's giving me speed, and I can jump, I can start slapping, and those are some others abilities. And as you can see, this is my score of slapping, and this is the scoreboard on Roblox. So basically, this is how you can do slap battles on Roblox. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.